These are 5 kitchen finds you never knew you wanted until now. Meet the Breville Smart Oven. It has over 11 cooking functions to guide you through your next meal. This is a handy tool for avocado lovers. It easily splits, pits, and slices avocados with minimal mess. This is a popular air popper that makes healthy, oil-free popcorn in just minutes. Perfect for movie nights. Compact and easy to use, this sous vide tool connects seamlessly to your smartphone, allowing you to control temperature and cooking time with precision from anywhere. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, the Anova Nano makes achieving tender, juicy, and flavorful dishes a breeze. This is a waffle maker that produces thick, fluffy Belgian waffles featuring a rotating design for even cooking. This is only one of the few waffle makers that lets you make stuffed waffles. Let us know which one is your favorite. You can find these items in our storefront.